Hello, good people. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon from wherever you are watching me from. My good name is Faith, and my YouTube channel name is Faith. Be blessed. Welcome to the family. If you are returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Welcome back home. And thank you so much for your support. You mean a lot to me. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Welcome to the family. Sit down, relax, and enjoy. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do and join us. It's a humble request. Please subscribe and join us. Yeah. So guys, today I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. I'm super excited for today. Just guess what? Guess what, guys? Today we are 197 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate and don't take it for granted. Thank you so much for your support. You are the best in the world. Yeah. So today, guys, I have a very interesting video. Today we are going to prepare or to make jollof rice. Have you heard of such thing? Jollof rice. So stay tuned till the end of this video. Sit down, relax, and watch this video till the end so that you can learn something new. Yeah, as I told you, in this channel is all about cooking, pranks, travel vlogs, and many others. So stay tuned till the end of this video and enjoy. Yeah. So guys, I have my onions, this is my ginger, blended tomatoes with red pepper. I have my rice here. Also have my spices right here. This is black pepper. This is garlic powder. This is cumin. And this is pilau masala. So let us do this, guys. Let us get into cooking. You're going to add cooking oil into this cooking pan, and then wait for a second for our cooking oil to warm, and then we add our onions. We're going to add our cooking oil, not cooking oil, onions. That is, we're going to add our onions right here, just like that, and then we stir. Wait until it turns golden brown. So I'm gonna add some salt, and then I wait for my onions to turn golden brown. In the meantime, we are going to mix our spices together. Also going to add our garlic. And black pepper, a little bit. We also have this turmeric powder, so we are going also to add this turmeric, and then we mix it well. Very well. Make sure it is well mixed before you add it to your onions. Our onions are now golden brown, so we are going to add these spices, and then we mix it very well, just like that. Make sure it is well mixed. Just like that. Then we add our rice. You also make sure it is now well mixed. Well mixed, that is, by stirring very well. So guys, we are going to add our blended tomatoes into this. And then we cover it for some time, for like 25 minutes, and then our food will be ready, very much ready. So guys, I'm gonna cover for like 25 minutes. Make sure you cook it with low heat, very low heat, low heat, that is, for like 25 minutes, and then it will be good to go. Wow! So guys, look at that. Wow. Our jollof is ready, very much ready. Wow, looks so nice. So nice. Wow. This is it. So now we are going to serve and see. Guys, here is the final results of my jollof rice. Wow, look at that, guys. What's your view? What is your view on this? Please comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think of this video. Yeah, but this is it. It looks so nice, so delicious, so yummy. Just try at your place and see the results. Yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. We are road to 1,000 subscribers, but for now we are 197. I'm so grateful. I really appreciate. So thank you so much, guys. That is it. Let us meet in the next video. So bye bye for now.